What if you could use your foil transfer kit to make beautiful stickers? To make these gorgeous stickers, you're going to need a heart from Shapes. I changed the colour to white as I'm going to use the white sticker paper. Then I resized it to about 1.5 inches wide. Instead of doing my own text, I decided to look in images to see if there was something suitable there. I'm looking for an image that says handmade with love and that has a fine line text style that will work well with the transfer foil. I really like the style of text on this image, but I don't need the background. We can see at the top of the right panel that the image has 2 layers, and we can see at the bottom of the right panel that the layers have been attached, so we can detach them. Then click on and separate the layers and delete the background. Now I need to resize my image to fit inside my heart. I can do this by clicking on any of the 4 corners and dragging it inwards. Then place it over the heart to get a better fit. I decided I didn't want the little hearts as I think it makes it too busy on such a small image. So I went down to the contour tool, and on the picture of the image there I clicked on all the little hearts to remove them. To make an outline just inside the outer edge of the heart, you'll need to go up to the offset tool in the top panel and change the distance to -0.05 inches. Then click apply. Your new offset element will be automatically defaulted to a basic cut element. To change it to a foiled line, go up to Operation and down to Foil and choose Fine or Medium or Bold. And as the text is a drawn element, we need to do the same. Now we're going to want to make sure our text is nice and centrally aligned inside our heart. And it helps to zoom in on the screen to be able to see more clearly. I needed to resize my text a little. Once you're happy with your design, you need to highlight all of your elements or select all and click on Attach. To make a whole sheet of stickers, it helps to make a template the same size as the sheet of sticker paper that you're going to use. I'm using Cricut printable sticker paper, which is 8.5 inches by 11 inches. But I want to leave enough space around the edges to attach the foil to the sticker paper. So I did a template that was 7 inches by 9 inches. The quickest way to fill my sheet with stickers was to duplicate my sticker 4 times, line them up across the top of my sheet template, space them out evenly, group them together and duplicate. Then align those 2 rows and group them together and duplicate again. And finally duplicate the group of 8 one more time. Select all and attach, and then go to the Make It page. Design Space will sort your project into mats, in this case just the one, and on the left side you can see the operations that will be used, the foiling and the cutting. You can also see that Design Space has chosen the material load type as matte. This is because sticker paper is not a smart material. When working with foil, I find it helpful to move the project down and in from where it is automatically placed. The sticker paper I'm using is 8.5 inches wide and 11 inches long, and I need to allow room for attaching the foil to the sticker paper. So I'm leaving 3/4 of an inch space on the left and on the right, and 1 inch on the top and on the bottom. And I placed my sticker paper in the top left corner of the mat, and then taped my foil centrally on my sticker paper. Once your mat is ready, hit continue. And you need to select your base material. If you haven't already got it as a favourites, then you can search for it in the search bar. And if you want to make it a favourite so it's easy to find next time, you just hit the star to the right of its name in the list. The next screen will show you which materials and tools you need to have in place, and also what you're going to need for the next steps. Once you've prepared your mat and loaded your foil transfer tool with the fine tip nib, you need to press load on your machine. And when the machine's ready, press go. When your machine has finished doing the transfer foil, Design Space will tell you to remove the gold foil, take out your transfer tool from clamp B and replace it with the fine point blade, and then press go. Once your machine has finished cutting, you can unload the mat, and don't forget to save your project if you want to go back to it another time. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other questions, please do leave them in the comments below. Bye bye for now.